This is Chilakam Bindu Reddy from CSCA, Advanced Reading and Writing, case study on technical or non-technical. Here I would like to explain about the organic farming. It is a production management system excluding of all the synthetic or farm inputs but rely upon on farm ergonomic, biological and mechanical methods like crop rotation, etc., which promotes and enhances biodiversity, biological cycles, and agro ecosystem health. Organic farming. The important goals of organic farming are a sufficiently high level of productivity, compatibility of cultivation with the natural cycles of the production systems as a whole, maintaining and increasing the long-term fertility and biological activity of the soil, maintaining and increasing natural diversity and agrobiodiversity, and etc. Nature versus organic production systems. Recycling nutrients in organic forms. Crop delivery in organic farms. Organic farms grow several crops including trees either as a mixed cropping or in rotation. Animals are an integrated part of the farm system. The diversity not only allows the optimum use of the resources but also serves as an economic security in case of pests or disease attacks or low market prices for certain crops. Back to nature. Organic farming want to follow the law of natures. Does it mean that organic farms must be close to natural systems as possible? Within the organic movement, one will find farmers who focus on the natural farming and others who take a purely commercial approach. The majority of organic farmers probably somewhat in between these two extremes. Most farmers will accept to get sufficient production from the farm of to make a living. For them, the challenge is to follow the principles of nature to achieve a high productivity. Thank you.